Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write paragraph on good manner in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Good manners are qualities of being polite and considerate towards others. They assist us in getting along with people and making everyone at ease. Being well-mannered involves saying please and thank you while asking for something or accepting help. It involves listening when others talk without interrupting them. When you have good manners, you consider how your actions impact the people around you. you hold doors open for others. Lend a hand when someone needs it, and talk in a friendly manner. You say excuse me if you bump into someone or need to get by. Good manners are essential at home, school, work, and in public. They indicate that you value other people and are concerned about their feelings. When all of us practice good manners, our communities become nicer places to be. Keep in mind that good manners don't cost anything but can make a significant difference in the way people perceive you and how people feel about you around you.